Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Are there immigration checkpoints in Nevada? It's a common question, especially for people planning a road trip through the Silver State. The short answer is no, Nevada does not have permanent, fixed immigration checkpoints like you would find in border states such as California, Arizona, or Texas. However, the full answer is a bit more complicated and involves something called the 100-mile border zone. Let's break it down. First, you need to understand the authority of U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP. Federal law gives CBP expanded powers within 100 miles of any U.S. external boundary. This includes our land borders with Canada and Mexico, but also our coastlines. Within this 100-mile zone, CBP agents can set up temporary checkpoints on roads and highways to question people about their citizenship and immigration status without a warrant. So, what does this mean for Nevada? Nevada is a landlocked state and does not share a border with Mexico or Canada. Because of this, the vast majority of the state is not within that 100-mile zone. Driving between Las Vegas and Reno, or visiting Lake Tahoe or Great Basin National Park, you are extremely unlikely to ever encounter an immigration checkpoint. The exception is a very small sliver of the state's southern tip. The area around Laughlin, Nevada, is within 100 miles of the official U.S.-Mexico border crossing in California. Because of this geographic fact, it is legally possible for CBP to set up temporary, or roving, checkpoints on highways in that specific southern region, like on U.S. Route 95 south of Las Vegas. These are not permanent structures, they are temporary stops set up for a few hours or days. The reality is that these checkpoints are very rare in Nevada. CBP focuses its resources on the immediate border areas, so while it's technically possible to encounter one in that tiny southern section, most travelers, and even most residents, will never see one in their lifetime. If you were to encounter one, you would see agents directing traffic to a stop where they might ask you questions like, "Are you a U.S. citizen?" In summary, for nearly all practical purposes, there are no immigration checkpoints in Nevada. The state has no permanent checkpoints, and the possibility of a temporary one exists only in a very small, specific area in the far south, and even there, it is a very rare occurrence. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this cleared things up for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more straightforward answers to your questions. Let us know in the comments if you have any other topics you'd like us to cover.